wait to boil. Put on the lid. This is, guys, will not look good. It tastes good, guys. So hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today magluluto tayo ng green car paste. It's a real Thai. Ito yung powder na binili namin. And this is the ingredients. Green chili, shallot, lemongrass, salt, garlic, galangal, kaffir lime peel, cumin powder, coriander seed, turmeric. Ayan guys. So, eto, binili ko siya sa mall. I bought this one at the mall. So, it's a Thai paste. Curry paste. There you go. So, I have chicken now. I have chicken breast. 2 chicken breasts. So, I removed some of fat already. There. And I'm going to slice in a cubes. And this is the vegetable. So this is the potato. There you go. I have 2 potato and then carrots and then capsicum and then onion. Okay, let's start chopping. So I'm done chopping the vegetable, the capsicum, the potato and onion. This is the chicken breast. I cut into cubes. And then I have black pepper. So on the black pepper. And then magic syrup. And then coconut. It's coconut. Coconut cream. There you go guys. Isa lang guys. Only one. And then let's start. So I put a canola oil there already. And it's still a little bit hot. I will add the onion. See? Guys, I will cook the vegetable first because I want them to cook. Because it's easy to dry the coconut cream if I will cook the chicken first. But I'll just do it last one, the chicken. This is my first time to cook this chicken curry. Just let it like that. Then we're going to add the potato, the carrots, and the last one is capsicum. We just mix this. Too much oil, no guys. But later I'm gonna drain this one, guys. I'll remove the oil. I'll just use to cook the vegetable. I'll add the potato now, the carrots, like that. Because it takes too long to cook this one, so I'll cook this one first, and after that the chicken and other things. Okay guys? And after that, we put the lid on, and later we check it. Just leave it like that until a little bit cooked. So now I'm going to add magic syrup, just a little bit. While I'm cooking the vegetable, I will marinate this for a while. Then a little bit of this one, black pepper. Just a little bit. So there you go guys. It's a little bit cooked now. We're going to put set aside. So, and then remove the oil. So I will fry a little bit the capsicum. And guys, take it out now. So let's put the chicken now. That's okay. Just like that, guys. And then, so I'm going to put this one now. The Thai paste. So this is this one. I'm gonna add. So that's the paste, chicken curry paste. So let's mix. Then after that, we mix for a while. We put the coconut. So just keep mixing. Nasunog na. So this is the coconut cream, guys. There. It's a little bit boiling now. It's a yummy, guys. Yummy. Then you put all the vegetable now. See. Can you see that? I'm going to put this one. It's boiling already. So that's enough. Then let's mix. Smoky. This is, guys, will not look good. It tastes good, guys. So if you like my video, please subscribe and click the thumbs up. And guys, thank you so much. Bye.